All right, all right, all right. Oh, I am exhausted. Um, okay, so here we have it, folks. Your sisters and Fanny. Hey, while I try to find my window, do me a favor and subscribe. Hit the bell, hit the like, and yeah, that should do it. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. All right, so well, we're looking at a weekly. Let's look at a daily. Here's a daily. Look at that. That is quite a hammer. Now, there's no guarantees, but this just increases the probability that we're going to move up tomorrow. I'm afraid that our target might be 44.93, and then we turn around again. So we're just going to have to watch it. That's really where we're going to start looking for some indications that we're going to start selling off again. I don't think that we've seen the last of the bottom. We do have what's his name, Powell, talking on Wednesday, and I think that a lot of people are just covering their shorts right now because they don't want to go into that with Powell. But this is the first indication that we have that any momentum on the downside is turning. But we still got a lot of work to do to turn this. Not impossible that we get a V bottom, but not usually the case. We'll probably get another test. I mean, that hammer is kind of encouraging, but we'll see how we do tomorrow and if it could sustain. So tomorrow we're going to want to see a break of the high of today's high. And let's just hope that this isn't a fake out. I mean, the economy looks good. We have inflation issues. Fed's going to raise the interest rates. Interest rates aren't as demonic for the economy as everybody's making it out to be. I mean, the companies can handle it. I think the biggest risk factor right now is Russia. So we'll take a look at that. And I mean, if we look at the weekly, this is way too early in the week to consider, but if we have a bar like this at the close, then I think we have a nice move up. I don't know if we're going to challenge the high, but I think we should get up into the 5.5 range or so, 550 range, something like that. So we shall see, we shall see, we shall see. Although when we see hammers on the weekly, it's usually a pretty good move up. But again, don't be surprised if we get a move up for a couple of weeks and then a sell-off once again. So anyway, have I said enough? Anyway, join me tomorrow. We did get a few trades off. We actually got some exceptional trades off. I think the last piece was about $1,500 a contract. And all in all, that trade was about averaged about I think $900 a contract. So yeah, that's taking the first two pieces off, and then the last piece. Obviously the first two pieces are low. Look at that; she just keeps ripping too. We just keep climbing. So join me tomorrow on Twitter. It's trading_off, and hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and I appreciate you guys stopping in. Anyway, remember, try to be calm and cool. You should be at peace when you're trading, and good luck trading.